And this is how the S650 Mustang, the 2024 Mustang, looks like with the top down. Hey guys, welcome to Red 50. Right behind me is a 2024 Mustang Convertible, and we're going to be showing you how to operate the convertible top on these S650 2024 and up Mustangs. This video will be extremely helpful if you just picked up your brand new 2024 Mustang, or like me, you're renting a Mustang and has a convertible top. So I'll show you how to operate the convertible top. We're also going to show you how to put it back up, and something you got to be careful with if this is your first time having a convertible. You've been used to coupe Mustangs or fastback Mustang. It's going to be very useful so you don't cause any issues when you're operating the convertible top on your brand new Mustang. Okay guys, so here is our 2024 S650 Mustang in this gray color, and of course it's got a convertible top right here. The car looks really good. It's a good refresh. I have an S650 Mustang, so to me a lot of things seem pretty similar from the exterior portion, but obviously interior is a lot different, and I will be covering that in other videos if you are curious about the interior technology. But this is what the car looks like. I just want to do a full walk around real quick so you can see the new Mustang, how it looks, and we're going to hop back inside and show you how to operate the convertible top. It looks very good. For a base model, this car is really good. If you're especially in one of the warmer cities where you can use the top year round, I think this is a great solid deal, especially if you get a GT, being able to hear the exhaust a lot more. All right, so we're gonna go inside and show you how to operate the convertible top. Now this is one thing you gotta be careful. You see there's an extra window here, and I'll cover that once we are operating the top and bring it back up, but you gotta be careful with this. So anyways, we're gonna go inside. All right, now that we're inside the car, the interior looks really good, but to be able to operate the convertible top, this is going to be your control right here. So this button is what's going to operate your convertible top, but you can't just press it right now. If you see I'm pressing, it's not doing anything. So let me turn on the car real quick so you can see. All right, so now that the car is on, if I press this, it's not going to do anything because there is a mechanism for the locking system. So right now, no warnings, nothing, but if I press it, it's not going to do anything. So you have to come here, grab this handle. Even right now, it's not going to do it. You have to twist it. So we're going to go ahead, twist it clockwise, and you'll hear a click. That means it's done it. And now if you hold it, it's going to operate the convertible top. So let's go ahead and press it and hold it. And you can't let go. If you let go, it's going to stop, and I'll show it to you. There we go. So the windows start coming down first. And there it goes down the top. If I stop here, I stopped pressing it, you can see it didn't go all the way down, so I'm going to keep continuing to press, and there it is. And this is how the S650 Mustang, the 2024 Mustang, looks like with the top down. It looks amazing. I wish I lived somewhere where I could utilize the convertible top year round. I would really like to have it. And even the interior, I mean, look at that, screens and everything. I'm starting to get used to them, and the fact that they offer so much customization just looks really good. But yeah, this is how the convertible top looks like. Looks very good. Again, if you have a GT, this one's an EcoBoost. If you have a GT, you're gonna hear the exhaust a lot more, making this a very fun drive. Now I'm gonna show you how to put the top back up. And we're also gonna discuss this one important thing related to this side window that's gonna pop up. So all right, now that I'm inside the car, I'm gonna go ahead and locate the same thing. We're gonna press this side now instead of over here, because that's what brings the top down. This is what's gonna bring the top up. So let's go ahead and do that. And again, you keep holding it, you stop, it's gonna stop. So you have to keep holding it. There we go. And the top is back up now. Now most people think that's all you gotta do, and you just rotate this back. Nope. You gotta bring this down a little bit and then rotate counterclockwise, and now it's done. Now the other thing that I really wanted you to make a note of is while the convertible top is secured now because we've done everything, and normally if you're used to coupe, you will just roll down your windows and you're good to go. But because this is a convertible, you have another window in the back, and as you can see right now, this is open. So a lot of people don't pay attention, and if it starts raining, it's gonna put all the water inside. So make sure you roll it back up, and now it's closed. But yeah, there you guys have it on how to operate the convertible top. I think if you have a convertible top, I kind of wish Ford went with the hard tops for the convertible, but the soft cloth, I don't like the look of it when it's, you know, the top is up, but when the top is down, it just makes for very fun, amazing drive, especially if you live in a climate that's going to allow you to be able to enjoy this nice weather with the top down. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video on how to operate the convertible top on a 2024 Mustang. It's very easy to do so. Just got to be careful with the back window. I've had that where the rain started pouring in, not on the S650 Mustang, but I did not know about this. So it's very useful that you pull those windows up so you don't get caught up in the rain, and it's gonna ruin the interior of the Mustang. Now, if you enjoyed today's videos, make sure you smash that like button and comment below what do you think about the convertible S650 Mustangs. And make sure you are subscribed to Red 50 for a lot more S650 tutorial style videos that will help you with your ownership.